Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to win Fortune Games 3. So let's start. I will give you some tips that I found on reddit.com. Here we'll share some tips that you can start using it in case that you play this game in casino. First, don't fuse Radiant Gems into Radiants. Each gem gives you a legendary, and that's critical if you want to fish for your clads and win cons. 2. Have important and short is the best. 3. These games can easily last 8 less 10 plus turns, so plan accordingly. 4. If you are out of the app, maybe fuse that gleaming here next to size you cannot fuse single ones. So it's important to follow them. And also, it's something that at a part of this, I always fuse gleaming gems at the start of every turn. You don't want to fuse in the middle or at the end of your turn unless you have a full hand, because you don't want to draw a gleaming gem only to have infusable. Then radiant crystals are more powerful if you have more cards to fuse into it. Think of it as Alter Fate of Omniscient Kaiser Axel, except you can choose how many cards you want to keep. This tip is especially important if you want to find a vital bomb such as RR. If you can play it, Radiant Crystal is powerful setup tool as next turn you have a full hand fuse. 4. Don't be afraid to fuse your win cons to find cards that help you live. If you cannot live to play it, it's worthless. Similarly, if you feel that there is no next turn, feel free to fuse all your gems and crystals to find it. So guys, with this you can start winning on Fortune Games 3 without any problem. Follow these tips will help you a lot. Of course, it's not 100% sure, but probably will help you to get more winning here. So I hope these tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.